Hello everyone, welcome back to Craft and Curve. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm excited to introduce you to the creative world of thin wire craft. This is a simple yet powerful art form where thin, flexible wire is shaped and designed into beautiful decorative pieces. Thin wire craft allows you to create a wide range of designs, from flowers and shapes to wall art and custom decorations. One of the best things about this craft is that it doesn't require expensive materials, but still produces elegant and eye-catching results. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to bend, shape, and design thin wire into a creative piece. You'll also learn useful techniques that will help you improve your skills and create your own unique designs. Whether you're a beginner or someone who enjoys DIY projects, this idea will inspire you to explore your creativity in a simple and enjoyable way. So stay with me until the end, and let's turn simple wire into something amazing together. Thin wire craft is an accessible, versatile form of handcraft that transforms slender lengths of metal into expressive objects, decorative elements, and functional pieces. Working with thin wire, commonly made from copper, aluminum, brass, or silver-plated copper, allows crafters to explore structural geometry, delicate detail, and three-dimensional form without needing large tools or a dedicated workspace. The tactile nature of wire encourages experimentation. It can be bent, twisted, wrapped, coiled, and linked to produce items ranging from lightweight jewelry and miniature sculptures to home decor accents and mixed media additions to textiles and paper art. One of the primary appeals of thin wire craft is its immediacy. Unlike materials that require drying, firing, or curing, metal wire responds instantly to hand pressure and pliers. This responsiveness makes wire a forgiving medium for beginners while still offering depth for advanced makers. A newcomer can fashion a simple ring, a pair of earrings, or a tiny heart in minutes. An experienced artisan can design complex armatures, filigree-style motifs, or layered sculptural pieces with precise repeating patterns. The range of gauges, thicknesses, available, typically measured in American wire gauge, AWG, or millimeters, further broadens possibilities. Thinner gauges, higher AWG numbers, are suited to fine detailing, wrapping, and delicate links, while slightly thicker wires provide structure and support. Tools required for thin wire craft are minimal and relatively inexpensive. Basic supplies include round nose pliers for creating loops and smooth curves, chain nose or flat nose pliers for gripping and making angular bends, wire cutters for clean ends, and a mandrel or dowel for forming consistent rings and coils. Optional items like nylon jaw pliers help straighten wire without marring the surface, while a hammer and bench block can harden or texture certain wires. Beads, gemstones, seed beads, and small findings can be integrated into designs, and the addition of patina or plating techniques allows makers to introduce color and surface contrast. The techniques used in thin wire craft are straightforward, yet capable of producing intricate results. Basic wire wrapping forms the foundation, securing a stone or pendant by winding wire around it to create a bail, or wrapping multiple wires together to form a decorative band. Coiling and spiral making yield rhythmic visual elements that can be repeated across a piece. Twisting two or more wires produces a rope-like aesthetic and increases tensile strength without adding excessive bulk. Forming loops with round-nose pliers enables connectors and ear wires. Simple chain making involves linking small loops to create flexible, handmade chain. Weaving and braiding wire, using methods adapted from textile fiber techniques, can produce lace-like panels or tight, ornate patterns reminiscent of ancient metalwork traditions. Design considerations in thin wire craft combine aesthetics with structural logic. Thin wire demands attention to how tension and stress will be distributed. Overly intricate openwork on a fragile gauge can lead to deformation if the piece is handled roughly, while thoughtful reinforcement, adding hidden supporting wires or creating closed shapes, can preserve form without compromising delicacy. Balance and proportion are critical in wearable items. Heavy pendants require sturdier support, and earrings must be light enough for comfort. Surface finish matters as well. Polished wire offers a modern, sleek look, while oxidized or antiqued finishes highlight texture and detail. Combining different metals can produce contrast, for example, bright copper against matte brass, and incorporating other materials, wood, glass, polymer clay, or fabric, expands visual and tactile variety. Cultural and historical influences enrich thin wire craft. Filigree, an ancient ornamental technique originating in Mediterranean, Indian, and Near Eastern metalworking traditions, employs fine wires twisted and soldered into lace-like patterns, a clear antecedent to many contemporary wire craftspeople's aesthetics. Ethnic jewelry styles from around the world frequently utilize fine metalwork and coiling, offering patterns and motifs that inspire modern interpretations. Contemporary makers often blend traditional motifs with minimalist or experimental approaches, creating pieces that feel both timeless and current. Educationally, thin wire craft is an excellent gateway into metalworking and design principles. It teaches manual dexterity, spatial thinking, and an understanding of material properties, how different metals respond to bending, fatigue, and finishing. Because the stakes are low, mistakes can often be corrected by unbending or rewrapping. Learners gain confidence while developing an eye for line, rhythm, and composition. Workshops and online tutorials commonly cover core skills and encourage iterative practice. Making multiple iterations of the same element helps solidify technique and improves consistency. Sustainability is an area where thin wire craft can shine. Small-scale projects use modest amounts of material, and many artisans repurpose or recycle wire salvage from electronic components, reclaimed jewelry, or hardware. Using base metals like copper or aluminum reduces cost and environmental impact compared with precious metals, while thoughtful design that prioritizes longevity over disposability yields pieces meant to be cherished and repaired rather than thrown away. Additionally, thin wire craft is conducive to small batch, local production, supporting independent makers and reducing the carbon footprint associated with mass manufacturing. Commercially, wire-crafted items perform well in niche markets. Handmade wire jewelry, botanical wall art, and bespoke ornamentation find receptive audiences at craft fairs, online marketplaces, and boutique retailers. The low tool and material investment lowers the barrier to entry for entrepreneurs and hobbyists alike. Successful sellers often focus on distinctive styles, signature motifs, consistent quality, and thoughtful photography that showcases the subtleties of metallic sheen and workmanship. Custom work, such as personalized name necklaces or memorial keepsakes, leverages the adaptability of wire to create meaningful, one-of-a-kind items. Challenges in thin wire craft revolve around durability and finish. Thin wire can fatigue and break over time if subjected to repeated bending, especially in hinge areas or when made from work-hardened metals. Proper annealing, heating certain metals to soften them before shaping, can alleviate this but requires knowledge and, sometimes, additional equipment. Securely finishing ends is crucial. Sharp cut ends can snag or scratch, so they must be tucked, wrapped, or filed smooth. Protective coatings, such as clear lacquers or polymer sealants, can slow oxidation in reactive metals like copper, though care must be taken to maintain the piece's aesthetic and to reapply coatings over time. Community and sharing are central to the thin wire craft world. Online forums, social media groups, and video platforms host countless tutorials, pattern exchanges, and troubleshooting threads. Makers often share pattern diagrams, step-by-step photos, and short video clips that demystify techniques and spark new ideas. Local craft groups and makerspaces provide hands-on classes and access to shared tools, a boon for those exploring soldering or patination techniques that go beyond basic wirework. Ultimately, thin wire craft is a practice of translation, translating line into volume, motion into stillness, and simple materials into emotive objects. It rewards patience and iteration while offering immediate satisfaction through tactile engagement. Whether undertaken as a hobby, a path to small-scale entrepreneurship, or a stepping stone into more advanced metalsmithing, working with thin wire invites creativity that is both intimate and expansive. The medium's lightness encourages delicate forms, its flexibility invites improvisation, and its history connects contemporary makers to centuries of metalworking tradition, making it a uniquely rewarding craft for curious hands. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this thin wire craft project and learned something new. It's amazing how a simple wire can be transformed into beautiful and creative designs. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Craft and Curve for more creative ideas. Feel free to leave your thoughts or questions in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet in the next video, keep creating and have a wonderful day.